I would say it was a mix of factors. We have seen in the last years accumulation of wealth in the Romanian economy, and you can see that if you look at what's happening with the bank deposits, and we have seen a migration of a part of those money from banks to capital market. On the other hand, of course, we were helped by the growing number of investors. What we saw in the last 5 years is 5 times growth in the number of accounts opened with the brokerage houses. And of course, one factor what supported this process was the good cooperation we had with the Romanian state, which used the stock exchange as a platform to sell treasury bills, the FEAS program. And I would say in top of that, and looking at the growth in number of investors, that the driver was simplification in the message we as a stock exchange had in the relationship with the market and the relationship with the Romanians. We tried to talk and to communicate in a simpler way. I think I touched a bit of the question. I've been talking about the fact that in the last 5 years we saw a strong growth in terms of retail investors. We went up from 50,000 to 250,000 accounts. In the first quarter this year alone we saw 20,000 accounts growth, new accounts opened. So what we have done, again, Fidelis, BVB research, which is a project which grows the visibility of the local companies, simpler communication process, I would say, between us and the market, a good relationship with the press, because when you talk about retail investors, of course, you need intermediaries, you need the interface and media, both social media and traditional media. Those are the channels which are helping us sending our messages in the market. I think we had one good proposal in one of the panels today from Mr. Gabrielian talking about us to think about the regional index, looking at the FEAS region. On the other hand, we saw Tabadul, a platform which is connecting our markets. I would say the best thing FEAS is doing for member countries and for member stock exchanges is bringing us together, building bridges, helping to know each other, learn from each other, and creating this kind of connectivity options like Abu Dhabi Exchange is offering through Tabadul. When we talk about challenges and opportunities, I would prefer to ignore challenges and we talk about opportunities. And I would say, looking at what's happening globally, seeing that the world is becoming more fragmented, I think that this fragmentation somehow plays out as an opportunity for local companies and for local stock exchanges. So I would say that there are a lot of things we can benefit in the current context.